Alright, on today's episode of Young Gentleman's Guide, we will be unboxing SprezzaBox. Let's get to it. Alright, so for starters, if you haven't seen my unboxing of Gentleman's Box, go check it out because that will help you better understand what's going on in this box. And I'll also be doing a side-by-side comparison and review on them both. Alright, so first off, we're going to start by opening this up. Alright. Whatever, I mean, it's supposed to just be pull apart, but I just wanted to use my new knife. Sorry. Alright. I'm going to assume that this side is up, and that all we got to do is look it up. Alright. Okay, first off, we got some socks, similar to Gentleman's Box. A nice tie, which comes in like a little protector sleeve. Go ahead and open that, pull that out. Alright. Let's see. This looks like a business card holder, if I'm not mistaken. It is a business card holder, which is good because I just ordered some new business cards. Nice pocket square. Looks a little big, but nice pocket square. And I'm guessing this is a pen. Yes. A nice fancy pen. Alright. And it writes well. Alright, cool. Everything's pretty simple. Now that we've seen what's inside, let's go ahead and get to the review. For the actual review of the box itself, the price was, for this one, it was about $15, $16 because I had found a coupon code online. Please, if you're going to buy any of this stuff, always look for coupon codes just because that could save you a lot of money. Mine was like 50% off. Next thing I want to talk about is what happens when you order. So you order the box, and then they'll send you an email with 3 different boxes. 3 or 4, I believe it was 3. But it says, in box A, you have all this stuff inside of it. And then it shows you in box B, you have all of this stuff. And in box C, you have all of this stuff. So it shows you everything in the 3 boxes. And then you choose you choose which of the boxes you want. So for me, this was box number 1, and this is what I wanted. This is what I got. Box 2 and 3 just didn't look that well, or they look nice, but I like what was in box A a little bit better, so that's what I got. So going into it, you know exactly what you get. Now that does kind of ruin the element of surprise, and that kind of sucks because the element of surprise is kind of the best part of all subscription boxes. But by the time this came in, like a week or 2 later, I wasn't really thinking about it, so I was kind of surprised I got the box. And I kind of forgot what was on the inside. However, once I opened the box and I looked at some of the stuff, like I forgot the pattern of the tie. I forgot that it was going to be, like I forgot the pattern of the stuff. Like I knew it was going to be a tie in there, but I forgot that the tie had this pattern on it. Same thing with the socks. Like I knew it was socks, but I forgot what the socks were going to look like. So it's definitely, it's a 50-50. I mean, you lose the element of surprise, but you know what you're going to get. So it kind of prevents doubling up. For example, if I already have this color tie, I'm not going to get a box with this exact same tie because then I just lost out on an item pretty much. So I definitely feel that that is a good thing that they do, but it's also, I don't know, it's kind of a give and take. Another thing that I wish that they did, when you get the box, there's nothing on the inside that kind of tells you what it is. It's just a very, I don't want to say plain, but it's very in your face. It's just, it is what it is. I mean, you open the box, right away you see your tie, your socks, your tie, pocket square. I mean, you see what it is right away. So it's like, there it is. It's nothing special, so to say. So there's no razzle dazzle in the box. But if you're a person who likes to get straight to the point, this is what it is. Like this is. But with that being said, that will conclude this unboxing. I hope you enjoy it.